日本語の言葉遣い Useful Japanese Plus. Today we will learn about how to use the useful Japanese plus. 日本語 is mean Japanese. 言葉 is mean plus or useful Japanese plus. 遣い is mean how to use. So today we will learn about how to use the useful Japanese plus. 風邪をひきました。風邪をひきました。which means I got a cold. I got a cold. For example, when you go to some place very cold and you got a headache and then you got a cold, that means you got a cold, and in Japanese they say 風邪をひきました。Or you can create a sentence like I got a cold yesterday. You can say 昨日から風邪をひきました。which means you got a cold from yesterday or since yesterday. お願いします。お願いします。which means please. For this plus, the plus like お願いします is mean when you ask someone to do something for you, for yourself. And you can say お願いします。For example, you ask somebody, your friend or the people in your team to print some document for you. And after he or she say okay for you, then you can say お願いします which means please. またね。またね。またね is mean see you again. This plus you will use with your friend. You don't use with your boss or anybody that you are not familiar with them. So actually you can use またね which means see you again. Or you can say in Japanese like また明日ね。また明日ね which means see you tomorrow again. 行ってきます。行ってきます which means I will be back. In this mean, if you just say 行きます it means you go to some place. But when you use 行ってきます it means that you go to some place. 来ます it means you come back. So that means you go to some place and after that you come back to your own position. So in this case you can say 行ってきます For example, when you go to shopping and then you come back, so you just go by yourself or you go alone. So in that case you can say to your friend that 行ってきます which means you go and you come back. So you can say I'll be back. お大事に。お大事に is mean take care. But in this, what you should careful about how to use the word or the plus like お大事に。お大事に you can use with your friend or anybody then who got hurt from some illness. For example, headache or stomachache or got hurt from an accident and they are in the hospital or he or she is in the hospital. So in the case like that you can say お大事に。お大事に is mean take care for you got some problem. So please be careful when you use the お大事に。お腹が痛いです。お腹が痛いです。 which means I have a headache. お腹が痛いです お腹が痛いです。お腹が痛いです is mean I have a stomach ache. お腹 is mean stomach. And 痛い 痛い is mean stomach. That means hurt your stomach. So in the case like this, you can say お腹が痛いです which means I have a stomach. Showdown です。Showdown です。Showdown です is mean it is just a kidding. For example, when you say something about to your friends and you are not say about that the truth, you just say about just for laughing or just for playing. So in the case like that, you can say 冗談です。For example, you say, yesterday I saw you at the market, but the truth, you didn't see he or she at the market. So you just say something too strange to her or to him. So in the case like this, maybe he or she will be strange for you. So in the case like this, you just say 冗談です。This means just a kidding. That's not true. So thank you very much for watching my video clip. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please help me subscribe my channel. And I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next video clip. ありがとうございました。